Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share you how I remove split ends and cut my own hair at home. So stay tuned. From couple of the years, I'm trying to grow my hair longer, and in the beginning I did go to the salon, but the dresser always ended up trimming my hair shorter than what I wanted, and my hair growth is super slow, so that didn't help. And that's when I started trimming my own hair. Now, I'm not professional, but this is the way I do it and it works for me. And it may help you too. So, let's start. First thing I'm going to do is remove the split ends. After that, I will take a shower and then I will trim my hair. So, let's start. All you need is a good pair of scissors and a comb. So, the first thing I do is I divide my hair and comb it. After you're done dividing and brushing, you take small section of your hair, brush it a little, and then twist it. Once you're done twisting, you will see some hair sticking out. So now you gently brush your finger and all the split ends will stick out. And then you grab your scissors and just cut that. Once I'm done getting rid of the split ends on this section, I keep it rolled so I know that this section is done, and then I move to the new one. Your hair needs to be absolutely dry to get rid of your split ends, and it doesn't have to be washed. So you can do it right before you go for a shower. The sections, those are done. I'm gonna put clutch on them. Easy. Just make sure the scissors that you're gonna use are really sharp, otherwise you will end up damaging your hair more. The pair I'm using is the one they use it in the salon, and I will suggest, if possible, you also use the same. I'm done removing the split ends. Now I'm going to wash my hair and then I will show you how I do trimming. I just got out of the shower. Now it's time to trim my hair. All you're going to need is a pair of scissors, some hair ties, and brush. Now what I'm going to do is take the towel off and comb my hair in front. Make sure all your hair get in the front, and your hair needs to be really wet for this method. Once you got all your hair in front like this, you need a hair tie and just tie it right here. Now brush little more. After you're done brushing little more, get a hair tie and tie it in the middle. My hair dried at the end a little, so I'm going to just spray some water. Now when they are all straight, get another bow tie, tie it down here, take scissors and hold the amount that you want to cut. Like I want to cut like this much. Once you cut that straight, take scissor again and go zigzag, like just like that. This style of trimming adds layers and volume to your hair. Now my hair is wavy and curly, so I like little more layers. So what I do is, I take some part of the hair again, then I put clutch on the rest. Then I bring all my hair in front exactly like what we did earlier, and then I'm gonna tie it again. And then I'm going to cut the end again. and then go zigzag again. And this way you can add more layers to your hair. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and thank you for watching and stay safe. See you next time.